Hello crafty friends! Today I have a card for you that I made using supplies from the SCT Sampler for February 2022. And you get a cute little die that cuts out the word happy. And on the back of this card it tells you what comes in the kit. Now this is a sample of items from two different collections. So I'm going to use my own cardstock, this white A2 size cardstock. It's the Nina Solar White 110 pound. And these two pink pieces of paper are also from my own supplies. I've had this for a long time, so I don't think it's available anymore, but I'm just showing you where I got it from. And who knows, maybe you'll find the collection somewhere. It's called Spring Garden, and it's from Coordinations, or that's what it's called. Now the happy die came in the kit, and you get the word die and also the outline for it. I am going to only use the word die, and I cut that out of some black cardstock that I had in my craft supplies. And I'm not going to use the white background. I just wanted to show it to you. This beautiful little pattern paper is from the Doodlebug collection that comes in the sampler. And then I use some of my own vellum. This is some pink vellum that I'm going to cut with a Sizzix die, a heart die, and then I'm also going to cut another one with this huge Spellbinders die. It's an old die. And then I'm going to take this pink pattern paper and create this frame. I'm using two dies. I'm using that scalloped edged rectangle die from Dress My Craft, and then the plain rectangle die is a Hero Arts Infinity rectangles. So that's what those dies were, and I use that to create that frame. So this pink paper is going to go on the back, so that's going to be my background paper. And then I cut the this beautiful floral paper down to 4 by 5 1/4. So that's going to give me 1/4 of an inch of that beautiful bright pink all the way around the edge. And then I cut out this frame, and I'm just using some scrapbook adhesives, tape adhesive here to put it down. You could use anything, whatever you have. So a lot of times I'll use Tombow Mono when I'm doing this, but you know, it's funny when you're working in your craft room, you just grab what you have and you roll with it. So that's what I do. It kind of depends on your mood too, because sometimes you have both things at hand and you just pick whatever one you feel like. So at least that's what I do. I know that sometimes you want to be choosy based on the project you're doing, and sometimes you need to choose one over the other, but at other times you just pick what you want. Okay, now I'm playing out with the layout here, and this is really pretty. You could leave this card just like this. It's simple, it's beautiful, clean layout, but I wanted to go ahead and add another heart die behind it. I just, for some reason, felt like it needed something else. So I'm going to use some more pink vellum and cut out that heart with that big Spellbinders die, and then layer those together. And then I also thought I would do some die cut flowers. Now the die cut flowers are also from Spellbinders. They're from the card kit of the month called Sincerely Yours, back from April of 2021. And if you'd like, I'll link to a video where I made another card using those beautiful die cut flowers as well. So now I'm just adhering this word happy to my die cut heart. And then when I'm done doing that, that will give me a place to put adhesive on the back of the vellum so it won't show through. So I can adhere it to the second heart, and then I'll also just you do the same technique to adhere the heart to the card, and that way the adhesive won't show through that vellum, since that vellum is transparent. So that's very pretty. I just let it dry with that block there, and then when it was dry I took it off, and I'm using my adhesive eraser to get rid of some of that adhesive that seeped out there behind that H. And I think that looks really pretty. I love that. And I hope that you guys get inspired by this project that I'm doing. Now this is a kit that I've never subscribed to before, the SCT Sampler. It's a new kit for me. I did the Spellbinders kits, card kits of the month last year, and I love the Spellbinders card kits of the month, but I like to try new things every year, so I decided to do this one this year and see what I could learn and what I could get from this kit. So I'm going to be doing the SCT Sampler this year, and I think it's also a great value. You get just a few little supplies, but they're wonderful little supplies, and also they're whatever the current collections are. So they take the 12 by 12 papers and cut them down to 6 by 6 and include a few in your sampler each month. And they usually include, I guess, samples from 2 different collections. This time for February it was the Simple Stories Happy Hearts collection and the Doodlebug Lots of Loves collection. And the papers that I'm using in this particular card project is the Doodlebug Lots of Love collection. So I'll have all that linked down below for you. I'm not an affiliate with SCT, so I just subscribed to it myself, so I wanted to go ahead and you know, just let you guys know that. So this is the first time I've received the kit, so I'm just making a few different cards with it. This is the first one, and stay tuned to my channel because there will be more. I've already made a couple more, and so I'll put those videos up as I get time to release them to you. And I hope you have fun watching, and I hope it inspires your creativity. These little flowers are just so beautiful. These again are from the Spellbinders, not the Scrapbook sampler. But I like to use all my supplies. You know, I mean, we paid for them, so we might as well use them and get the most mileage out of them that we can. So I don't mind mixing it up like this. And since I'm not an affiliate with Scrapbook and cards, you know, I can do that, and I'm not promoting anything for Spellbinders right now. I paid for the kit myself, so I just wanted to share with you guys and show you what I made, and hopefully you will enjoy it. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching today. Don't forget also to hit that notification bell, and I'll see you again real soon. Bye bye.